Frodem boys? We decided that I would record today since, you know, that doesn't happen often. So yeah, first moto vlog on the updated FZ09. So it should be fun. I need to adjust this. Dang. Right now we are headed to Fry's to get some more GoPro parts so that we can do some dual moto vlogs. You fucker. You fucked me, bitch. Oh fuck, there's a cop. That was close. Where are we at, boy?
Yeah, here, electronic fries.
Electronic fries. Oh. Oh. Cameras recording the cameras, boy. So now we're cruising by his pad to grab some more Frodem boys cards, baby! Woo! Alright, let's see if we can spamage this guy. First spamage of the day. We picked up some business cards and now we are off to Staples to get them cut, because about a year and a half ago or so when we got these cards, their cutter was out of order. So we just said, fuck it, can you give us the prints and we'll cut them ourselves for a discount, and we got them, and we cut like probably 200 out of the like 1,000 that we have. Gonna go get those cut so we have some spamage to give out, baby. Holy shit, bud. Oh, that had to be at least like probably a 90-mile-an-hour wheelie. So we got the cards in the good old Stapelas. Picking them up tomorrow and they should be all cut.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
And then we'll be spamming all y'all Frodem boys out there's. Fuck. We get it, bro, you ride.